Assalamualaikum teman-teman, kembali lagi di channelku, Muhajirin Manusia Gagal Ganteng dan Terancam Kaya.
We gotta do something,
Up,
man.
Jackie. We gotta think.
You gotta think. Don't
Hey, come back.
bing,
Hey, come back.
Shut up, both of you! Winston's gone. Right now, we gotta stick together.
We just can't let the 18 kid get away with this.
What makes you so sure it was 18K?
We all saw them. They were definitely 18K. Even stupid Jackie knows that.
You ever think maybe they were just trying to look like 18K? Look, we've had a few skirmishes with them lately, but nothing major. It doesn't make sense that they would do something this big.
Oh, so who do you think it was?
I don't know, but I'm gonna find out. And who the
I'm here for Mr. Lee. I take it you've heard of Big Smile Lee.
He's another Sun On Yee boss, Red Pole, just like Winston.
Okay, what can we do for Mr. Lee?
He has decided that for the time being, you may continue your operations in this area. But the percentage previously paid to Winston will now go to Mr. Lee.
That's an interesting proposition. But I have a counteroffer from Mr. Lee. I'd appreciate if you relay this back to him word for word. Can you do that? You tell Mr. Lee that his people stay the f*** out of our territory, and in return, we'll let him live.
I don't think you'll find that offer to his liking.
I think you'll find that I don't give a f***. You see our guest out, make sure he doesn't get lost.
You'll regret this. I promise you that.
Jackie! Get the car! Get the car!
射死我仆街！
Move on it!
Take him out!
Yeah. Don't let him get away, man.
No way you get away clean, Ponytail! No way! Come on! Come on! Stop!
My toes! I just got a pedicure.
Move! Move!
You little more! Huh?
You done? Are you done?
You shit, you liar!
I'm gonna break your face!
You liar! You wanna stay pussy!
Tell your boss, stay the f out of my territory.
Away! This isn't the end of this! You've got nowhere to run.
I say stop! There's nowhere to
It's the
run!
end of the road.
Ah, shit. Just what I needed.
And I might think about going easy on you. Surrender! There's nowhere to hide! Police! Stop! Hey, stop! Freeze!
Get in! Get in! What the hell?
He's running your way!
You've got nowhere to run. Leave me alone. You took the town.
on your head. And you stop. There's nowhere.
醫生間，哇，好驚啊！
Pull over.
Who the f you guys?
Pull over right
Change
now,
your
I said.
tone, Shin. Miss Yang is a red pole, and she just saved your life.
Miss Jang? Broken Nose Jang?
佢係咩？
My apologies, Madame Red Pole. So why'd you bring me out here?
I have heard a lot about you, Wei Shen. I will get to the point. You must realize that you cannot stand against Big Smile Lee alone.
That's what everyone tells me. Roland Ho said I'd need other bosses to support me.
Indeed. Nah, I believe in harmony, balance, peace, and I don't mind spilling a little blood to achieve it. With Uncle Po in the hospital, there's much uncertainty in the Sun On Yi. If he recovers, we will both be stable and strong.
But if he dies?
The 18K presents a very real threat. We cannot afford to appear weak. We will need to elect a new chairman quickly.
You, for instance.
Ah, Big Smile Lee represents a step backwards for the Sun On Yi. Why continue to force girls into prostitution and pornography when there are other, less archaic, more profitable ways for us to make money? I have very different ideas about our future. I want to take the Sun On Yi forward, but it would be unwise even for me to stand against Big Smile Lee unaided, which brings me to you. Nah, we both appear to have the same problem, Wei Shen, and the opportunity to benefit if we work together.
So it seems. I have my own reasons for hating Big Smile Lee's operation. Now, if you stand against him, you can count on me.
Good. We will talk soon. 早唞啦吓，魏生。
我呢啲咁高質素嘅，我淨係同你話輸好多錢啊！I lost all my money, you know。
呢一場輸咗2萬蚊。
我諗我俾人救啊！
佢老公都係睇咗套戲啊，拉啊嘛，你唔知咩？個女人啊，為咗買間屋啫嘛，斬死幾多人啊！
Hey, man.
Wait! You won't believe what those did.
Who?
Those guys are top glamour. They're with me. I brought them another load of watches. They were supposed to give me 200,000 for them. Instead, they give me this hunk of shit. I don't even know how to ride this thing. I had to push it here.
Calm down. Give me the bike. I'll get you your money.
What are you gonna do?
Same thing I always do, Jackie. Let me in?
All right, come on in.
Nah, not this.
What do you want?
My friend Jackie tells me you owe him some money.
You're sitting on it. And where'd you get off strong-arming me, huh? I know you're a cop.
And I know you're a snitch. You want to see who your boys kill first?
Kill him! Kill him!
That's it, asshole. Come on, don't be a... You're coming.
Come on! I'm gonna kill you! He's still alive! I didn't know how to shoot! My guys are gonna hunt you down and kill you!
That's enough.
Out of the way!
Shut up.
You're making a big mistake, I tell you!
Be quiet.
Maybe we can...
Only have yourself to blame. Shut up.
You're making a big mistake, I tell you!
Be quiet. Inspector, I have one of your informants on the trunk of my car.
What?
Yeah, he needs to disappear right now. So either you make him disappear or I will.
Bring him over.
Maybe we can make a deal.
You only have yourself to blame.
cut you into pieces, you hear me? Huh? You hear me, you
Here's your guy. Hope you still want him. But I don't want this coming back to bite me in the ass.
I'll take care of it. Where he's going, he won't be in a position to tell anyone anything.
Hey, I can hear you! What the are you doing out there? Open the trunk, will you?
Hey! Show the lady some respect.
Wei, I have something for you.
What is it?
Dead triads, 6 of them in the past few months. All found by the water, all sliced open.
Well, what do the investigators think?
What investigators? You think HKPD puts a lot of effort into solving dead gangsters?
So what, they're not people now?
This is why I'm coming to you. We just found 3 new bodies under the Aberdeen Bridge. Get down there and take a look around. And Wei, uniform officers on the scene say at least one of them is from your crew.
What? You positive?
Keep your head on straight, officer. And your eyes open.
We're in surveillance mode at the moment.
Did you look at the openings? Yeah, but that's not the guy. It's Winston Chang, not Winston Chang. Yeah, Bookmark Chang. Wait, you know him? No, that's Gumbo Chang. Bookmark. Bookmark Chang. Skinny guy. Yeah, right. I don't know. You got a file on him or not? All right, well, send it over.
Unbelievable curry fish balls!
starving.
You have to try them. You have to. Tell everyone you know, my curry fish balls will blow their minds.
Come on, come on!
Who are you? Bomb squad. You here see anything suspicious, officer?
What? No! Is there a bomb?
Could go off at any minute. I'm guessing the blast won't go more than a few hundred meters.
Excuse me, I forgot something in my car.
Vincent? Someone did surgery on these guys. Everyone the same. This is no ordinary serial killer. Tang, it's Wei.
What did you find out?
Vincent. They got Vincent.
I'm sorry. I know he was your friend. What are you gonna do next?
All the victims were Sun On Yi. All had an organ removed, cut right out of them. And you're right, this isn't just about murder.
What's your next step?
The removal looks professional. A surgeon of some kind. I'm gonna look into the hospital records. If somebody's stealing organs, they gotta be using them for something.
All right. Keep me informed.
Yes, I know what you mean. My friend was showing me his new phone. He pressed the screen button.
Mrs. Chu?
你知冇啊 ？Sammy 佢細個嗰陣，佢每日都喺呢個廚房度食嘢，坐喺嗰度靜靜地食飯。而家佢會做出咁樣嘅嘢。
Sammy?
Dog eyes.
Dog eyes did it. Is that what Johnny told you?
幾多錢都唔值得。阿威啊，呢種生意會令人黐線嘅。我叫 Winston， 係我錯嘅，我鼓勵佢。而家揾佢，帶佢嚟呢度。
man. Stop messing
Well,
around.
what the f, man? Let's work something out here, okay?
Deal. 你都唔撚
Hey,
係
go
路嘅。
guys.
Move! Move! Come and get me, huh? 屌你老母啊！Hey, you suck off Winston before he died? Huh, wait? Or were you just kissing and feeling each other, huh? Maybe she wasn't shy like that. No, you flashed a little dope and the panties disappeared.
Whoa!
Anything happens to me, Big Smiley is going to send Tom to ask questions. You got it, Way? Huh?
What's going on?
Duke, get down to the docks. I'm gonna need a pickup now.
Got it. On my way.
You don't know what you're messing with, shit, huh? Give it up, you fuck! It's Way! Kill that You're gonna die screaming, Way! Ah! Go for his eyes! His eyes! Come on! You don't know what you're messing with, shit, huh? Give it up, you break his fingers! Get him! Get him now!
我保證你即刻冇命！我拗跛佢隻腳。使佢點做？打電話啦，唔係等陣冇手撳啊！使講啫，兄弟，開做技，做嘢，使講啫。哇！你睇唔睇到啊？你大人有大量，放心啦，得唔得啊？哇！嚇撚死我啊！
Come on, man!
You've done some bad things, Sammy.
What did you call me? Huh? Nobody call me that anymore! This is about me balling your sister, isn't it? Huh? You gotta be kidding me, man! Wake up, little brother! It's not like I put that needle in her arm! You can't take this stuff personally, Way. It was business. You know what I'm saying?
Not to me, it wasn't.
Look, if you don't like it, you take it up with Big Smiley. He's the one who needs the pussy. I was doing my job. Is this what this is all about?
Yeah, and Winston, and Peggy. You're coming with me.
Look, maybe we can cut a deal. All right, stop all this shit, man. And I'll make sure that Big Smiley cuts you in on one of the side business. Maybe the whole damn thing. I mean, hey, We could be generous, okay? Yeah, he's gonna be the future chairman of the Song On Yi!
Yeah? You and Big Smile Lee are pretty close, huh?
Yeah, we're tight, like brothers!
Me and Winston, we were tight too.
Get him! Get him now! Oh yeah, take your time, boys. Yeah, suffer. Give it up, you. You had enough, huh? Cause I could do this all night. Listen, you're gonna regret this. Come on, man. It's so long ago.
Wait! Wait up! The car's over here!
Hey!
Where are we going?
To the restaurant.
What's going on?
We're bringing him to Mrs. Chu. She has something she wants to tell him.
Mrs. Chu, all right. We could take care of this ourselves.
Believe me, I'm tempted. But you and me handle this and it'll happen fast. This deserves the worst we can give him.
You're the boss, Wei. Think we're rid of them?
We'll see. Some good driving there.
Thanks, man.
What doing, huh? Wait!
Sit down and shut the
Jesus, I haven't been here in years.
Sammy 啊，我為咗你一路開住個廚房，你睇我留埋啲骨喺裏面，你中意噶嘛？係咪啊
It's cool, Mrs. Chu. I already ate.
你同我食晒佢，食咗佢。
喂，hey, doing? I'm hungry.
Sammy，你避下我面，我特登為你做噶，唔使驚。唔係淨係你一個人，你個朋友 Johnny 啊，老鼠仔佢都喺度啊。佢而家喺湯裏面，或者我將你放喺煲湯裏面。
Wait, if you have a problem with me, then let's sort it out ourselves, okay? We don't need to bring her into this.
Sorry. It's nothing personal. Just business.
Oh, God. I'm sorry, please. No.
'Jangan lupa subscribe, like, komen, dan share, juga nyalakan loncengnya, agar kalian tidak ketinggalan. Sekian dan terima kasih, dan nantikan video selanjutnya.